How to make money $1,000 per day from Google Adsense. Making money online has become an increasingly popular way to earn income, and one of the most well-known methods is through Google Adsense by leveraging Google advertising platform. Website owner and content creators have the operating to monetize their online process and guarantee considered stream revenue in their blog post. We will discuss effective strongest to help we achieve the goal of earning 1000 per day from Google AdSense. Build quality website or blog. The foundation of successful AdSense strong is well designed and high quality website or blog. Your content should be valuable, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Focus on a specific niche or topic that we are passionate about and so that your website is visually appealing, user friendly. Optimize your content for AdSense to maximize your AdSense earning. It is a calculate optimize your content for advertisement. Create a keyword research engine, optimize SEO, article and blog. What is your identify popular some wanted related to your niche.